An explosion rocked an Arlington, Virginia home on Monday, causing extensive damage to the structure and injuring at least one person. The explosion happened around 10:30 a.m. at a home on South Hayes Street. Witnesses said they heard a loud boom and saw flames and smoke billowing from the house. Several neighbors ran to the scene to help, and one woman was able to pull a woman from the burning home. The victim was taken to a hospital with injuries that are not considered life-threatening. Firefighters arrived on the scene and quickly extinguished the fire. They are now investigating the cause of the explosion. Authorities are not yet sure what caused the explosion, but they say it may have been caused by a gas leak. The home is currently being assessed for structural damage. The explosion caused a lot of damage to the neighborhood. Several homes were damaged by flying debris and some windows were shattered.
The Arlington Fire Department is urging residents to be cautious and report any suspicious activity or gas leaks. If you don't want to miss any updates, then smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!